way for schools to be able to have all of their data compiled together about every single student, every single class. So I would really recommend that every school, including mine, would pay for a Padlet backpack because, like I said, it has great opportunities. It gives you way more than the standard Padlet, and it allows for schools to incorporate a lot more in order to keep track of that student data. So after this, I have a bunch of screencasts that I created for general questions that you probably would have along the way. So the first one there is going to be talking about a profanity filter. So this one is good because it tells you all about how, in case you know the students post those silly things on a Padlet, how they are able to block those things out. The next one is also about customizing the background, how to then obviously post a picture, how to post a video, how to post a URL link, and then also how to embed a file as well, because the students are able to incorporate all of those and teachers are able to incorporate all of those. So those are some simple how-to videos that I included in this presentation as well. And then the last link that I included there is the previous link that I mentioned, that was the how-to Padlet pages with the Q&As on them. So those are not created by me, those are created by Padlet. They are all on their own individual Padlets, but like I said, they are great places for you to go and look for any general questions that you have. So any of the questions that I do not answer on my how-to videos, they should all also be there as well. And if you have any other questions, just please give me a call. But like I said, Padlet is a great tool. It is a great way for students to post things, interact with other students, teachers to post things, to include other teachers, to include other students in things, and a great way to basically connect with that technology that is becoming what we are all using today. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this presentation, and have a good night. Thank you.